Syntax unknown, and I've got a challenge. 60 minutes, 30 days of code on HackerRank. No breaks, no excuses. Just pure problem solving. Let's dive in. First one is so literally. And I'm starting the timer now. Okay, what's the question? ID and S are already declared and initialized for you. You must declare three variables, one of type init and double type string. Read three lines of input from std in according to the sequential input format and initialize three variables. Use the plus operator to perform the following operations. Print the sum of I plus your in variable in line. T plus double S the result on concatenate. Okay. Okay. They are doing it in Python. Let's see the three variables. IDS. Now we need to initialize our three variables. So, um, now let me run this code. Just cases passed, but um, not done. Next question. Okay, they go operators. Meal price, base cost of a meal, the percent, the percentage of the meal price being added as to given the meal price, base cost of a meal, the percentage, okay, and tax percent, add a tax for meal, find and print the meal's total cost, round the result to the nearest integer. Okay. Okay, we have the meal cost and it is 15%, tax is 8%. Okay. Afterwards. Okay. There is one way. One is one. One is okay. It is not rounded off. Okay, I forgot about the round. Okay. Now it is on it. Submit. Okay. Next challenge. Day 3. Intro to coding conditional statements. Learn about conditional statements. Integer error. Perform the following conditions. N is odd, print weird. N is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. Even inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. N is even and greater than 20, print not weird. Okay. We can do it here. Here if n modulo 2 equals 0, then thus even not equals and here uh, LL and modulo 2 is equal to 0 and n is greater than 2 and is less than 5 and weird elif n modulo 2 equals 0 and n is greater than 6 and n is less than 20, print not and where L is n is n modulo 2 equals 0 and n is greater than 20 and not weird. Okay, let's run it. Submit it. Okay. Three test cases are failed. Greater than 20. N is even and greater than 20. So I guess less than 20. 2 to 5, greater than 2, less than 5, greater than 6, less than 20. Let me try one thing. I will paste it here. Okay. One output. Pretty weird. The numbers were otherwise print not weird. Okay, let me try it this way. By this way, I'm just first checking whether the number is greater, whether the number satisfies the range or not. Then I will print it. Okay, let me try this one. Still I'm getting still I'm getting Oh, it is like I missed the capital W. That's why. Um, Now let's submit it. It should pass. Test case 7 alone is not passed. What could be test case 7? We don't know. Let me just see here. Okay, here it is inclusive. It is inclusive range. So we should give equals greater than or equal to. So these are small things that I missed. Let us submit it again. Ah, so reading the question is important. Next challenge. Devo class versus instance. Write a person class with an instance variable age and a constructor that takes an integer initial age as a parameter. The constructor must assign initial age to age after confirming the argument passed as initial age is not negative. If a negative argument is passed as initial age, the constructor should set age to 0 and print age is not valid. Development environment. Okay, the input format is same. So this is the constructor class. They are requesting to write must assign initial age to age after confirming the argument passed as initial age is not negative. If a negative argument is passed, construct age to 0. Age is not valid, setting age to 0. Okay, let's do this first. Age. So if initial age is greater than 0, age equals initial age is age equal to 0. And what are they going to print? Age is not valid. Setting age to 0. Next, am I old? Should perform the following conditions. If age is less than 13, you are younger. Okay, let's see. If age is less than 13 and you are young. Okay, young is OMG, LL, age is greater than equal to 13 and age is less than 18. Visual learning. You are a teenager, else friends who are old. And year passwords would increase the age instance variable by one. Age equals age plus one. Think we should not do it like this. Age equals age plus equals one. Let me try to run this. I've got some error here. Year passes. Cannot access local variable age where it is not associated with the value. Okay, I think we should do this initial age. Then self dot age, self dot age, then self dot age, age. Let me try this one. Okay, thought is correct. We should put self dot age. All three are passed. Next, if I loops an integer, print its first 10 multiples, each multiple, first 10 multiples. Okay, each multiple n cross I, where I is from 1 to 10 inclusive, should be printed on a new line in the form n cross I equals result. Okay, let's do this. Tab. Yep. I'm going to give 4. I in range of 11. I'm giving 11 because 10 also should be inclusive. I don't know how this works. I'm just giving it 11 because usually range of n will be n minus 1. So to n minus 1. So let's see. I should give 1 comma 11. Then result is n multiplied by I and then let me put a f string here. F n into I equals result. I run it. I need to see the range. Okay, my bad. All should be in f string. So for which n minus 1 for this one. It's the next one. Day 5 solve. Day 6. Let's review. Expand knowledge of strings, combining it with what we all have already learned about loops. Mm. Given a string yes of length n, that is indeed from 0 to n minus 1, print its even indexed and odd index characters as two space separated strings on a single line. Okay, we have a string s, length n, index from 0 to n minus 1, even index and odd index characters have two space separated strings on a single line. So we have a string and string length also will be given as in no, it is not given. So we have to calculate the length of the string. Two space separated strings. Hmm. Even indexed characters. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So this is a full. Hmm. Let me get the string include and then n equals len gth len of str len of else. Let this be the len str. Mhm. Or I in range of n n prime range of n HackerRank. Okay, first line contains integer t number of test cases. So we need to get t also. As such, how many times we need to run this? Or in range of this test. And then we're gonna pass this variable test. What index be on? And what if I modulus to is equals not equals to 0 and modulus to not equals to 0, and then S of I f L A plus equals S of I. And then maybe F string or paste even on or the paste even str object is not callable when u plus equals is of I. Less I more than because equals 0. My how to call this? Maybe a string. I think we need to separate it into characters. So character array. Yes, yes. Okay, this is not working. Oh, this is working. Zero is considered to be an even index. Yeah, I think this I miss the square brackets. Okay, I think now this should work. Let's see. Or okay, e or even on strings, they are empty strings. It is outputting only the last letter. Okay, so this concatenation is not working basically. Hmm. That's running. I'm at day 6. Hmm. There is some error here in creating the string. Hmm. Think for okay, for every iteration it is reinitialized here. You should initialize it here. Now it is time. Next challenge we have 15 more minutes. Arrays. Given an array A of n integers, print A's elements in reverse order as a single line of space separated numbers and reverse separated by one space. Okay. List map int of okay fine. Arrays are list in Python. So that's why they are used list here. For I in range of n range of let me do while loop for this. While n when I less than n then I am set paper else. minus equals yeah, this is not in or by in range of n equals burst of I'm creating an empty list of red of I yes, what is basically I'm saying AR one space four space six space eight. Let this be the array for zero, zero, one, two, three. This will be n minus one. So n will be four. N equals four. This will be n minus one. So if I keep y as zero, I I equals zero. I equals zero. I plus one. Then this will be n minus one minus I or n minus I minus one. Okay, I think I have got it. So you should give ARR of n minus I minus 1. This is it basically. Oh, commented. Can't comment this all. Okay, fine. And finally, I will print then again another for I in or we can print the n minus I minus 1 command. Another step it was uh, I think we don't need to create any new array called ref. This will do the job, I guess. Let's see. Mm, No, it didn't do the job. 2341 input 2341, but it printed in the same line. Mm, How to? This is not set. This will be end, I guess. Let's see. Not sure, but it is either step or end. And yes, it is an end. So to print in the same line, we are using end. Submit it. Let's see. Yeah, I have 7 minutes left. Try to do it to another question. Dictionaries and maps. Okay, fine. Then names and phone numbers. Assemble a phone book that maps friends' names to the respective phone numbers. You will then be given an unknown number of names to query your phone book for. For each name query, print the associated entry from your phone book on your line in the phone name equals phone number. If an entry for a name is not found, print the found instead. For dictionary, map, hash map, let's go with dictionary. First line contains an integer n denoting the number of entries in the phone book. Each of the line. Okay. We need test equals int input him for test t in range of test. Him is him. Okay, how to take the name and dictionary and run it. I guess I'm not sure. I need to how to split the inputs first. I'm not able to split the inputs. Hmm. Time's up. I'm not able to do this dictionary thing. So, okay, I was able to solve 7 questions in 1 hour. Not bad. I must say it was pretty good. Let me come back with another video with dictionaries. Go on the dictionaries and start from dictionaries, I guess, from day 8. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep learning. Hustle. Hustle on.